Playing with ideas, unleash your creativity. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression in the English language: play with the idea. This phrase is a gem in both casual and professional contexts, and understanding it can add a layer of sophistication to your English communication. Let's explore what it means to play with the idea, its usage, and how it can empower your language skills. Play with the idea means to consider or think about a concept, suggestion, or plan informally or without committing to it. It's about exploring an idea in your mind, turning it over from different angles, and examining its possibilities without making a final decision. This phrase embodies a sense of freedom and creativity, allowing thoughts to flow without the pressure of immediate judgment or conclusion. To grasp the essence of this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In a brainstorming session at work, we're not sure which direction to take for our next marketing campaign, but we're playing with the idea of focusing on sustainability. 2. Planning a trip. I haven't decided where to go on vacation yet, but I'm playing with the idea of visiting Japan. 3. Considering a career change. I'm currently happy with my job, but I've been playing with the idea of starting my own business. These examples show that playing with an idea is a preliminary stage of thought, where one is open to possibilities and exploration. Playing with the idea is not just about indecision, it's a crucial phase in the creative process. It allows individuals and teams to foster creativity by considering various possibilities without the pressure of commitment. Encourage open-mindedness and flexibility in thinking, which can lead to innovative solutions. Prevent hasty decisions, giving time to weigh the pros and cons of different ideas. Understanding and using this phrase can enhance your communication, especially in settings that value creativity and thoughtful decision-making. Play with the idea is more than a phrase. It's a mindset that encourages exploration, creativity, and open-mindedness. Whether you're brainstorming for a project, planning your future, or just pondering life's possibilities, playing with ideas can be a powerful tool in your thinking process. We hope this video has illuminated this expression for you and that you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Until next time, keep playing with ideas and see where they lead you.